Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
The 2016 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power convenience group, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.